To replace a slide rail support roller in your dishwasher, pull the upper dish rack out. Then use a small flathead screwdriver to release the bottom tabs of both front stop clips. Fully remove the clips. Slide out the rack. Remove the appropriate rear stop clip. Slide the rail out. You can now use a T-25 Torx bit to unthread the mounting screw, securing the roller you're replacing. Install the new slide rail support roller by positioning it on the liner, then thread the mounting screw. Replace the slide rail. Reinstall the rear stop clip by inserting it through the holes in the slide rail, then squeeze to lock the clip into place. Align the rollers on the slide rails and slide the rack in. Reinstall the front stop clips. Confirm the rack moves freely, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.